The Nike Mind 002 is absolutely mind-blowing, and this is just the second version of the shoes. Just imagine what is next coming up for Nike. But this is the reason why you should definitely consider getting this for yourself, and why the Nike Mind is the next best thing that's coming directly from Nike itself. And of course, other companies might follow, but this is the leader. This is the best one as well. So why should you actually consider getting this for yourself? First of all, we have the sensory pad right at the bottom over here. And what makes it so great is until you actually try those shoes on, you just don't know what you're missing. Not only it feels great walking in the shoes, they're absolutely just amazing. The whole entire manufacturing of those shoes is what actually is absolutely dope. The look of it, the feel of it, and above all, this. Take a look at this. So there is plenty of heel space right at the top over here, and it gives you a lot of traction. The next thing about this is the L vents going right throughout the entire shoe itself, including right at the tip of the tongue. So when you're walking, it automatically air cools your feet, and it feels absolutely great. Now, as you step on different things, right over here inside, you can feel those things working for you. So every step, you feel good because the shoe itself is massaging your feet as you walk along. And that's one of the reasons about this. So how much does a massage cost in your area? Think about this way. A foot massage is going to be pretty expensive, but you're getting foot massage every single time you're walking. So although this shoe is expensive, and it is, you are actually saving money because you no longer need to get reflexology. You're getting it automatically by just wearing those shoes alone. So that is one of the biggest selling points about this shoe. The next thing about this is absolutely comfortable to put your foot right inside over here. That is not something you usually get with a Nike shoe. And the new generation of Nike shoes are just amazing because not only they feel good, as you put them on, they feel natural and they're not too tight. So forget the old Nikes. The new ones are just so much better, right years away. And this is the next generation as well. So I absolutely like the way I feel inside those shoes. They're also awesome and stylish, but there is one big issue about them, and it is just hard for you to get them. So if you see them on sale, make sure you buy them because it's so hard for you to get those for yourself. Taking a look at this up close, you can see how it actually looks like, and we can see the entire whole system going right throughout the entire shoe, including the tip in the tongue itself as well. The logo itself is not too bad. Now, some shoes just scream Nike or something else. This one does a very good job. So we have the logo right through the entire shoe, the facade itself. There is another logo right over here, very small, built right into the shoe as well. And we have one over here as well here. Now, the last logo is right in the back, right at the bottom of the actual shoe, and it actually is the only place that it actually says Nike on the shoe itself. We have the swoosh logo, and we don't have anything that says Nike except in the back over here. So putting this on, and wow, you can see this. This is really interesting. So inside the shoe itself, we can see every single one of those ducks over here, and also the little things that you are going to be stepping on. And it feels like foot reflexology, and it goes right throughout the entire shoe, right inside over here. Another thing, right at the tongue, you're not getting the L vents over here. The L vents are only in the instep area, which is pretty comfortable and it feels good as well. The shoe itself sports the Nike logo. The swoosh logo is over here. There is also the small swoosh logo inconspicuously built at the top and on the side as well. The biggest logo and the one that says Nike, and the only one that says Nike, is right in the back over here in this specific area. Absolutely like the extra protection that you get right here, plus the ability for you to go ahead and strap the shoe by its lace as well here. So sometimes when the lace itself is just not enough, this is what you're going to be going ahead and putting your foot right inside to fit right in. Overall, it's a very nice shoe and I absolutely like how it looks. So let's talk about those shoes themselves. I really like the way they feel. And the best part about them, they're nice and comfy when you're walking. As you walk around, you feel absolutely amazed because the shoes themselves are nice and easy. The best part about this, full freedom of movement. They feel good, they look good as well. As you're walking right through them, the air vent starts to work. Just like an air conditioner all by itself, the shoe vents all the heat and it dissipates right out. The next best thing about this, fit right true to size. They look amazing. They are very nice looking when it comes to the style. And I really like the way they look. For those of you who are thinking, are on the fence, the shoe itself is a very interesting looking shoe because in some ways the style is amazing. In other ways, this is just weird looking at the bottom. But no one actually sees the bottom of the shoes unless you get the ones with the orange over there instead. So the green, I think, is the way to go, especially if you don't want to get people to go and look at you in weird ways. Other than that, the shoe itself is nice. I like how it feels. And above all, let's go ahead and do some testing. So first of all, full freedom of movement, feels absolutely natural. Next thing about this, the jump test. And yeah, I like it. When I jump, I don't feel it as a jump, which is good. So lots of traction for you to jump with. Next thing about is to go ahead and try them on. So putting them on and off when you are just putting them all combined. How does it feel? First off, you don't have to go ahead and have socks with those shoes. They feel natural as you put them on as well. Another thing about this, it's easy for you to go ahead and stick your feet right inside over here. So let's go ahead and show you. So fit right in naturally and fast. Lacing them up is an absolute breeze as well. Next thing about this is that the shoe itself is nice and comfy too. I like how comfy it is, I like how it looks, and I like the style. And it only takes a few seconds for you to go ahead and put those on, which is unlike other shoes. So other shoes, yeah, it takes you some time and there is a break-in period. Zero break-in period when it comes to the shoes. Easy for you to put them on, easy for you to go ahead and put them off as well. In fact, when you get home and you want to go ahead and chill out, you can easily do so with the shoes as well. Not only that, they're nice and lightweight, not heavy too. So if you're considering and thinking should you get those for yourself, look how comfy and nice the material actually is. It feels good and those shoes are absolutely amazing. So if you're thinking and on the fence, should you get this for yourself or not, I definitely think so. I think those shoes are amazing all by itself. They are a little bit on the expensive side, but when it comes to money, just think of the reflexology. The price you pay for massage therapy, it's going to be pretty expensive, especially reflexology session. And with those, you're getting the reflexology as you're just walking along with them. And because of that, I would rate this a 9.8 out of 10. Definitely something for you to get in case you're wondering and are thinking about getting an amazing pair of kicks that is made with Nike.